Welcome to 26 Politics, your weekly 60-second political update. Micheál Martin has become the new Irish Prime Minister after a three-party coalition between Fianna Fáil, Fine Gael and the Green Party. The Royal Navy's Gibraltar Squadron have received 2 new patrol boats following the pre-decommissioning phase of the current vessels. HM ships Dasher and Pursuer are temporary vessels before the new ships are delivered. Elections have been happening in Poland and Russia. Russians voted to extend Vladimir Putin's rule, whilst Polish citizens have been voting in presidential elections between the conservative politician Andrzej Duda and the liberal Rafał Trzaskowski. In Brexit, the UK has announced it intends to keep trade open with the EU. However, physical border checks will be carried out and trade must enter or exit directly through the UK and not through Northern Ireland. And that's all for this week in politics. See you next week with the latest political updates in 26 Politics.